Welcome to another My Two Good Hands video. We're out on the driveway working on the boat. Last year, during the summer, this rub rail material here, you can see, started to shrink. I'll show you the big gap we got here. You can see I put my hand through there. Now, you can just start working this back in, but it'll pop right back out. It's shrunk. We need to stretch it. We're going to show you how to stretch it. So like and subscribe, post notifications on. Here's an easy fix. Okay, so here's what we have. You can see how that's coming way out. What we have to do is we have to stretch it here and here to get it to come into here. Because if it's in there with any force, it's going to pop back out. You can see the other side is still in and is not coming out. You can see how nice that side is. So we're going to get a heat gun and we're going to show you how we're going to stretch that out. Okay, I've got an old heat gun, but I'll put a link in the description so you can get yourself one if you don't have one. Not sure a hairdryer will do it. Put this on high, wait for the heat. We're going to try it. It's kind of cold out here, but we're going to try it. What we're going to do is heat right here. Hold it till it cools off here. And work this in as it cools. Oh yeah, that's much better. You can see how it sits right up there. Now it's just a matter of we have to get a screwdriver or a knife and push this edge in, but it's getting pretty good now. So at this point you can see it's a little small right here where we stretched it. Now we have to go and tuck it all in, and we're going to use a screwdriver to go in here to tuck this in. So we won't be able to hold the camera and show you, but you use a little screwdriver and just kind of work this stuff in. We're going to go work it in and then show you. So here you can see where we kind of tuck it down like this. Kind of work this in. So there you go. You can see it's all tucked in there real nice now. Don't forget to subscribe. There you go. Don't forget to subscribe to My Two Good Hands. We fixed the rub rail, heat gun, stretched it out a little bit, and then put it back in. All it did was shrink originally, so now it'll be good for a few more seasons. There's a quick, easy how-to for free.